Hi YouTube, this is Tara. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, I have this foundation that I found that I purchased like during the pandemic, the lockdown. And I think it was right after I came back into the office. It's Bobbie Brown. And I want to see, hold on y'all, and put y'all in my little stand. I want to see if it still works. I get an hour lunch today. So, you know, Nabla was on sale yesterday on the 21 days of Ulta. And I've been wanting a couple of these Nabla palettes. And since they were $19 and they're normally 30 something, 39, 40 with tax, they was $19 and some change. Just putting on some primer. I think I really like this primer. I put this primer on yesterday. I don't know if I told y'all what the primer was, if I showed it to y'all, but I got this during the 21 days of Ulta as well. And this is a, and I'm gonna show when I get my Nabla, because I contacted Nabla too and told them that I was having problems with the website, with Ulta, and I was just trying to see if they would sell, or they would sell me the products at the same price for 50% off. And basically they said no. And I do believe this primer also helped my eyeshadow to stay on as well. So, and this is mostly for face, I believe. This is mostly for face. I've already done my eyebrows with my crayon case pencil. I did pretty good. Sometimes I do my eyebrows better. Oh! Sometimes I do my eyebrows better one day than the other. So, that's good and primed. My hands are ashy. And I'm rushing because I get an hour lunch today. But, I don't know. So, this is what it looks like. I'm shaking it up. And this is shade Golden Almond. And I do believe that this is a neutral. And I'm going to give it, I don't know if this is a whole pump or not, but we're going to go with it. Okay. And this kind of looks like it's too light, but it does oxidize a little bit, I believe. However, we're going to take this Juvia's Place brush, and it is the round top foundation brush. Kind of dense, and I like that. Okay, so this is probably gonna be just enough for like one side. Y'all know I like a I'm not a full coverage type person, but this dome brush is kind of helping it spread. Y'all see that? I'm doing one side just to see if y'all can tell the difference and see if I can tell the difference. I fell asleep with my contact. I said I wasn't gonna fall asleep with my contact on. No more, but I did. Y'all, that little spot right there where I dipped is still there. Oh no. Did I bring the mirror? I think I left the mirror, y'all. Shoot. So, anyway, I ordered them palettes from Nabla. That light go. I ordered them palettes from Nabla. If it's some kind of way, we're gonna put our powder foundation on. It smells good, but do I have another brush? Hold on. I'm gonna learn how to edit and stuff, and I'm gonna bring you guys close so y'all can see what it looks like now. Okay, you can kind of see, but not. It hasn't covered much of anything, but it still look natural, and I can still see some imperfections. Okay, but that's okay. Okay, let's get the rest, because some people use their fingers. Some people use their fingers, and okay, and then spread this some more. You see that? I don't know what's the next shade. And I don't think she owns Bobbie Brown anymore. I think she has created a brand new product line or brand. And I think it's called so that's that. I didn't tell nobody that. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, so this what that side look like. Okay, and this. Okay, so let me spread it with my finger. I thought they were messy. And let me get my wrapper. This is a foundation brush too. by the way. Now I think the Juvia's Place foundation brush Y'all, I think I like the rougher side, and the reason why I like the rougher side more is because I think more foundation came out on when I did this side, because I kept saying I don't know if this is a whole pump or not. I think a little bit more was needed, so I'm gonna put you all on hold. I'm just gonna do a neutral eye shadow with the Juvia's Place, okay? And maybe I'll put on some, eyelashes, or maybe not. But I'll finish the look and I'll be back. Because this is just the look and video for the Bobbie Brown that I have not worn in a while. Okay, YouTube, I'm back. And this what the foundation is looking like. Looking like after a few minutes of just oxidizing and drying down. Went in with my Juvia's Place palette here, this little mini. I went in with this dark brown, then I went in with this tan, and went on top of it with this shade. So